machine. So while Darren's trying to navigate the parking, yeah, we've come to a pizza vending machine. Should be fun. We do it in Japan. But as you can see, we've come to, I was going to say sunny Chichester, but it's looking a bit grim today, and I think we've parked in a flooded bit, so yeah, getting out the car should be interesting. Even better news, we think the man's come to restock, so it should be fresh. I've done a bit of research. Apparently the Chichester one, which is the one that we're at, is the first one. There's quite a few dotted around the local area, and they're replenished every 72 hours, so you know that it's fresh. I'm just waiting for the man to get out the van, really, and considering the extortionate parking we've just had to pay for, we're clearly getting our money's worth. There we go. He's got out. He's got out the car now.
It's the pizza.
It's the pizza man. I might be a bit discreet and just go, look, that's the pizza man. He's going into the pizza machine. So that'll be good. It looks like a massive fridge. And that's the oven. I will cry if he's just taking them all out. But my thought is people are going to be eating out on the town tonight. And, oh, excuse me. Sorry if you travel sick. So that'll be good. We'll just wipe the jobby down. And I bet they do a killing. Sorry, you don't normally see me this close, do you? I think
the last time was when we were in London.
Was it? And you saw my moustache then, so yeah, Happy New Year. We thought we would shy away from the standard, you know, run-of-the-mill flavours, because I think there's a couple. They pride themselves in being banging craft pizza ready in 4 minutes. Oh, it's won awards. It won the Papa Industry Award.
Well, there you go.
That's the Pasta, Pizza and Italian Food Association, so that's good to know. Yeah, so flavours. There's pulverised pepperoni, bit mainstream. Margarita Mutiny, bit boring. The notorious PIG.
I thought that sounded quite festive.
Yeah. Do you think we've had enough pork over the
I think we've had enough, you know, pigs in blankets and the such like. The
barbecue beef rib and pickle. I think that sounds quite nice.
Mm-hmm.
The Triple X. The Mad Donna, whoever she is. Actually, it is named after Madonna. And they've got a seasonal special, but there's a list of different things, so I don't know whether that's going to update. But they are, let's have a look, they are $9.95 each. There's no price on that one.
There's 11 inches big, aren't they?
Yep, they're 11 inches. Apparently they come uncut, but they do supply a wooden knife. So we have come prepared, just in case.
Yeah, we have got a pizza cutter and a chopping board, just in case the bamboo knife that they supply isn't good enough to cut an entire pizza.
Yep.
Which I strongly suspect it's not.
Yep. So do you want to do the other one as well?
Can do, yeah.
We can add them both to the order.
Yeah.
So we're doing. Thought we'd go for 2 pizzas. It was that flavour you wanted, wasn't it? So both hot. Mad Donna. Barbecue beef. It smells divine round here.
Mm-hmm.
Can't see anything.
8 minutes is a long time when it's cold and wet.
Oh yeah, do you think that's 8 minutes, or do you think that's the 4?
No, I think that's probably the 4.
Oh, I can smell spicy. We sign up for spice. I think they're going to make a killing tonight though. This is, as I've said, it's New Year's Eve, and to me this is like massive convenience food after a night out.
Lots of drunk people getting off the train at Chichester.
Yeah, the train station is just there. I don't know if you can see the bit that actually says Chichester Station, but that is, just trying to look at my thing behind me. Yeah, look. There he is, Chichester Station. I can't even speak now, it's because I'm too hungry. I think I heard something.
It's nearly there.
I think that's the train I can hear going. Whoa. Do I have to put the fingers in? I'm a bit scared. Is it telling me that, or is it going to push it out?
I think it's going.
Well, look at that. There we go. That is hot.
I'm going to run this into the car.
While the other one's cooking. Wow, that's a pretty good temperature on that. I mean, what do you expect? It'll just come out the oven. But yeah. Our other pizza's on the way. We don't expect you to wait around in the rain. We'll probably meet you in the car. And we're back! So, yeah, we're in the dry now. Hopefully the noise of the rain won't overpower our voices. But,
one way to find out.
That is your barbecue beef.
Okay.
And that's our Madonna.
Which one do you want to do first?
That one's probably had a bit more time to cool.
They do feel radioactively hot,
yeah.
So let's swap them over.
Should we go in for a reveal? A reveal and a potential thumbnail?
Yep.
I've got it, I'm good.
Cool. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Looks dark. Oh, it looks good.
Ooh. Are we thumbnail posing?
Yeah, go for it.
Very nice. There is a wooden knife in there.
So there is something that vaguely resembles a wooden knife.
I think we should give it a go. I think we should embrace. We've been on a night out.
Yes. We've come back from Chichester.
Yep. And there's an extra little bit in there that might reinforce the bottom of the box, so we should be good.
Potentially. Should we give this a go?
Let's do it. Do it. It's going, isn't it?
No. This is a pizza wheel job.
Okay.
That is awful.
There is a hole in the bottom of the box.
Yes, I've just realised that.
Do you need to place the box on top of? We've even bought a.
Bought our pizza chopping board.
That's better. So, shall I give a rundown of what this topping is?
Yes.
Okay. So, let me see. Bear with. It cuts nicely though.
It cuts nicely with a pizza wheel. I can't honestly say that I would be able to cut it with that bamboo knife. That's awful.
And it's serrated. So, the Mad Donna, bear with, is... Apparently there's no dine-in available, according to Google, which is a shame. I
think that basically means you can't sit in there and eat it under the canopy of the machine.
Got to get out of the way. So the Mad Donna is a They said, Mad Donna, this is our favourite pizza. Once you've tasted this, you'll agree. Think 1980s Madonna, sassy, sexy, spicy, tasty, juicy, and totally rebellious. It's pulled slow-cooked lamb, dukkha, zoog, feta, and oodles of flavour. I think the man may want us to move. Are we over where? So we think we may be over the flood, or the area in which Southern...
He's not said anything to me, so I'm not moving.
Let's get a piece of this then, and... Oh, wow.
Mmm.
That's really good.
Very cheesy.
And that's
Lots of
what you
Indian
want.
spices.
Yeah, yeah,
This is good.
defo. The base is quite nice. The dough's nice, isn't it? And you've got a good sharing. You've got a good helping of meat and cheese. I mean, to be fair, for a tenner,
I'd say that's worth a tenner.
this isn't any eyelids and arseholes topping. This is actual good ingredients, and no wonder they replenish it every...
The crust's light as well.
Yeah. That's really good. Shall we have like a slice of that as well now and then?
Yeah.
Because cold pizza's good as well, but...
Shall I share this with the people?
Please do.
So, remind me what this one is. It's the barbecue beef, isn't it?
So this is a barbecue beef rib and pickle. It's slow cooked pulled beef, house barbecue sauce, red Leicester, pickles, and more mozzarella and tomato sauce. Make this a flavour-laden monster. Oh, okay. I'm not seeing a lot of beef, but
I don't know. I think that's...
I think it may all be hidden by the cheese.
I mean, there is a considerable amount of cheese on that. They've all got little codes on the back.
Oh yeah, biggie.
Get this one cut.
Oh mate, that looks, it really does look good. Are we just skipping the
Yeah, I'll skip it.
the knife?
Yeah, absolutely. That knife is absolute rubbish.
Oh, I'll put that in the box for the moment. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I think those two are probably the ones for the picking because they've got them. I'm going to put that in the sides there, and then because I know that you. So this is your. Oh, I won't tip that anymore. I think I've just dropped a pickle in the glove compartment. Oh, hoffer. Oh no, cheese ball.
Now, I don't normally like barbecue pizzas, but this is good.
This is really good. Again, soft base. Well, I think we were lucky that the man turned up. But, oh my actual.
It's not too heavily barbecue tasting.
No, and it's not too sweet either. It's not too sweet, not too smoky. It's just...
No.
And a good whopper cheese.
Yeah, there's a lot of cheese on these.
Oh. 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 Goodness gracious. Wow. Summing that up in a word.
Oh. Oh, there's so many words I could use.
Banging, I think, is a word.
Banging's a good word. Innovative.
Innovative.
Yeah, that'll do. I've never had pizza from a vending machine before. I've seen lots of people in Japan do it.
I said that earlier, didn't I? Well, yeah, we were having a little chat while you were addressing the parking. So, if two of us have said it, then we can't be wrong.
No. There's one of these in Caution train station as well, isn't it? Caution, is it the train station?
I think it's just off the high street, not the station.
Okay. There's one in Caution somewhere. So it's not like there's only one of these.
There's two in Brighton railway station.
Railway stations seem popular, yeah. But it does make them very accessible.
There's one in Worthing, I believe. But yeah, mate. Pizza vending machine. Vending machine pizza even. You need to get in on it, especially this one.
Yeah.
I would potentially choose that over nipping to, a McDonald's meal is probably just as...
Yeah, we probably spend more at McDonald's. We definitely spend more at Pizza Huts or Domino's or Papa John's. And you know what, I'd be quite happy with that.
Yeah. We've brought our own drink, so we're good to go. I don't think there's much else we can say other than give it a bash. That's a surprise, the barbecue beef one. So thanks for coming. Hopefully we'll get out and about a bit more now.
Yeah.
Especially if there's random stuff like that. If anyone can think of anything random like that, give us a shout. But yeah, I'm gonna go and eat my pizza crust now. Anything else to add? We're going then. Bye, love you, bye!